AWS Sagemaker tutorial. AWS Sagemaker is a cloud-based platform that provides developers and data scientists with a suite of tools for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. With Sagemaker, developers and data scientists can quickly build, train, and deploy machine learning models using pre-built algorithms or their custom models. AWS Sagemaker is an integrated platform that combines data labeling, model training, deployment, and monitoring capabilities. In this primer, we will provide an overview of AWS Sagemaker and its various components. Overview of AWS Sagemaker. AWS Sagemaker is a fully managed platform that provides a range of services for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. It is designed to simplify the process of developing machine learning models and make it easier for developers and data scientists to experiment with different algorithms and models. Sagemaker offers a range of pre-built machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression, k-means clustering, and principal component analysis, among others. Developers and data scientists can also use their custom machine learning models in Sagemaker. Sagemaker supports popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Apache MXNet. Sagemaker provides a range of capabilities, including data preparation, model training, model deployment, and model monitoring. With Sagemaker, developers and data scientists can quickly build, train, and deploy machine learning models without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Sagemaker components. AWS Sagemaker consists of several components, each of which provides specific functionality. Here are the primary components of Sagemaker. Sagemaker Studio. Sagemaker Studio is a fully integrated development environment, IDE, that provides a web-based interface for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. It is designed to simplify the process of building and deploying machine learning models by providing a centralized platform for all the development activities. Sagemaker Studio provides a range of pre-built templates and example notebooks to get started with machine learning models quickly. Sagemaker Ground Truth. Sagemaker Ground Truth is a fully managed data labeling service that makes it easy to build highly accurate training datasets for machine learning models. It provides a range of labeling tools, including automatic labeling, human labeling, and machine learning-based labeling. Sagemaker Ground Truth makes it easy to annotate large datasets quickly and accurately. Sagemaker Training. Sagemaker Training is a fully managed service that provides a range of tools for building, training, and validating machine learning models. It supports popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Apache MXNet. Sagemaker Training makes it easy to experiment with different algorithms and hyperparameters by providing a range of pre-built algorithms and supporting custom machine learning models. Sagemaker Hosting. Sagemaker Hosting is a fully managed service that provides a scalable platform for deploying machine learning models. It provides automatic scaling and load balancing to ensure that the model is always available and responsive. Sagemaker Hosting supports a range of deployment options, including Amazon SageMaker Endpoint, AWS Lambda, and AWS Fargate. Sagemaker Model Monitor. Sagemaker Model Monitor is a fully managed service that provides continuous monitoring of machine learning models deployed in production. It monitors the model's performance and detects anomalies and drifts in the model's behavior. Sagemaker Model Monitor provides alerts and recommendations to help developers and data scientists keep the model's performance and accuracy at an acceptable level. Sagemaker Features. AWS Sagemaker provides a range of features that simplify the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Here are some of the key features of Sagemaker. Autoscaling. Sagemaker provides automatic scaling for training and deployment of machine learning models. It ensures that the infrastructure automatically scales up or down based on the workload. Built-in algorithms. Sagemaker provides a range of built-in machine learning algorithms that can be used for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. These algorithms cover a wide range of use cases, including regression, classification, clustering, and recommendation systems. Custom algorithm support. Sagemaker supports custom algorithms, allowing developers and data scientists to use their algorithms for building and training machine learning models. It supports popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Apache MXNet. Hyperparameter tuning. SageMaker provides automated hyperparameter tuning, allowing developers and data scientists to experiment with different hyperparameters and optimize model performance. Multiple data input sources. SageMaker supports multiple data input sources, including Amazon S3, Apache Spark, and Amazon Redshift. It makes it easy to train machine learning models using data stored in different data sources. Model interpretability. SageMaker provides tools for model interpretability, allowing developers and data scientists to understand how the model makes predictions and identify areas for improvement. Easy deployment. SageMaker makes it easy to deploy machine learning models to production environments using Amazon SageMaker Endpoint, AWS Lambda, and AWS Fargate. Fully managed. SageMaker is a fully managed platform, eliminating the need for developers and data scientists to manage the underlying infrastructure. Integrations. SageMaker integrates with other AWS services, such as AWS CloudTrail, Amazon CloudWatch, and AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. Use cases for SageMaker. AWS SageMaker can be used for a wide range of use cases, including image and video analysis. SageMaker can be used to build and train models for image and video analysis, such as object detection, face recognition, and content moderation. Natural language processing, NLP. SageMaker can be used to build and train models for NLP tasks, such as sentiment analysis, chatbots, and language translation. Fraud detection. SageMaker can be used to build and train models for fraud detection, such as credit card fraud and insurance fraud. Recommendations. SageMaker can be used to build and train models for recommendation systems, such as product recommendations and content recommendations. Predictive maintenance. SageMaker can be used to build and train models for predictive maintenance, such as detecting equipment failures before they occur. Conclusion. AWS SageMaker is a powerful platform for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. It provides a range of services, including data labeling, model training, model deployment, and model monitoring. SageMaker makes it easy for developers and data scientists to experiment with different algorithms and models and deploy them to production environments. SageMaker is a fully managed platform, eliminating the need for developers and data scientists to manage the underlying infrastructure. With its rich set of features, SageMaker is an excellent choice for organizations looking to build and deploy machine learning models at scale.